Judges, how do you feel about that Jamiroquai inspired intro?
They lift those scores for the final time. 6, 6, 6, 6, and 7.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Team Turbos, you guys are the last team of the day. How are you guys feeling?
Pretty damn good.
Pretty damn good. Well, you heard it from the herd tortoise. Ladies and gentlemen, the last team, team number 71. Make some noise and give it up for Team Turbos in 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
All right, come on, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Make some noise.
Imagine how they must be feeling. They've had to watch 70 contestants before them. Down they go in a well turned out box cart. It's wide. They enter the first turn. Again! Well, there was a dramatic spin of note. Immediately now they try, they get off before they actually strapped in.
All right, let's bring them home. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, the last team of the day.
Let's cheer them on. This is the last car. They're now coming into the chicane. It's a very wide body. Are they going to do okay in the chicane? They go through. They're steering. Oh, and they hit the side barrier. So twice now that they've hit the barrier, but they want to continue. They want to finish. Determination.
They want to finish, but I don't know if their car wants to finish.
Their car is pretty.
It's fighting back. It's fighting back. All right, come on, Johannesburg. This is the last team of the day. Have we not entertained you? Let's make some noise, Johannesburg. Come on, bring them home.
Rooting them on. Applause from the stage. They're pushing that car through the pothole. And what are they? Oh, and that's bouncy bounce. And now they come down towards the camera. Car going on its own steam, so the wheels. No, he says, get off. Come on, you got to push. Push us. We got to get across.
Come on, buddy. Let's bring it home. The final 100 meters now, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get them to the finish line. Get down to the finish line for prize giving, everybody. Come on.
Go into the camera zone. And they should get